Hey, hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying statistics. I want to show you how to create a stem and leaf plot from a set of data. And a stem and leaf plot is called that because it actually looks like a stem with some leaves. And I'll show you how to show you the process of making these things. And they're just good ways of visualizing data so you can see patterns and whatnot. So the first thing you want to do is put the values in order. So I've got a table of or a set of measurements of the heights of trees in meters. I don't know. I just made these up, I guess. Yeah. Actually, I went to the redwoods in California, and these are very, very tall trees. So I did some measurements that reflected the height of those trees. So these in meters. So this one would be over 90 feet tall, 31 meters. It's roughly 90 something feet tall. So big trees. Um, So we're going to turn this into a stem and leaf plot, and it's kind of ironic because trees, or at least their seedlings, have stems and leaves. Anyway, okay. So here we go. So step one, put these things in order. Um, so smallest to the highest. So 11 looks like the lowest value. What do we have next? 14, 16, I believe. 16. Actually, here's 9. That's lower than 11. Let's put that in there. 14, 16, um, 28 looks like. 28, 31. I've got another 31 in there. 31, 32. You know, it actually probably help to cross things out as you put them in your list. 14, 16, 28, 31, 31, 32. What do we have left? 35, 38, 39. Let's make this a little bit neater, not too much neater. And then 41. Okay, that's in order. So then let's decide what our stems will be, and those are the first digits um, of the values. And in this case, let's just make them the tens, um, the tens place. So we'll have let's make our table here, or actually we don't need that crossbar. Okay, so our our stems will be 0. Um, we've got one value that's below 10, and then we got 1 for these values that are in the tens place is 1. And we got 2. We got some 3s, some 30s, and then we've got 140. Okay, and then let's put the leaves on. The leaves would be the ones place. Okay, so for this one we've got 9, and then for the tens we've got 11, 14, and 16, and then for the 20s we just have one of them, so we have 28. The 30s we've got 31, and then we've got another 31. Make sure you put two. If you've got two values that are the same value, you got to put them both in there. So 31, 31, 32, 35, 38, and 39. Then we've got 41. Okay, so there's our basic stem and leaf plot. We'll put a little key that says, just pick any of those values. I'm going to say 2, 8 means 28. You're just telling people, what do you mean by the stems? What do you mean by the leaves? 2, 8 equals 28. And we'll just label it height of trees. Height of trees in meters. And we can draw some conclusions here. I mean, most of these trees are 30 something meters tall. I mean that's over 90 feet tall. So these are big old trees. So that's kind of the usefulness of a stem and leaf plot like that is you can see those trends there. You can see the distribution of the data like that. So there it is. Put your numbers in the order of least to greatest. Decide what your stems will represent. Here we're saying that they mean the tens place, and then your leaves represent the ones place, or the final digit of these numbers. Then make sure you give a little key that says 2, 8 means 28, and then title, and then you're good to go.